if you're experiencing server timeout issues in Overwatch 2, adjusting your settings can help improve your connection stability. Follow these steps to increase your server timeout settings. Step 1. Access the game settings. Open Overwatch 2 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 2. Go to network settings. Within the settings menu, find and select the network tab. This section contains options related to your internet connection and server settings. Step 3. Adjust timeout settings. Look for the option labeled server timeout or similar. Increase the timeout duration to a higher value, which can help prevent disconnections during gameplay. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the timeout settings, ensure you save your changes. Look for a save or apply button at the bottom of the settings menu and click it to confirm your adjustments. Step 5. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 and restart the game to apply the new settings. This will ensure that your changes take effect and help improve your connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.